restaurant, convenience store, and grocery store operators do whatever it takes to make customers happy and ensure brand expectations are met on every visit. But it's not always easy. Chain businesses have been forced to adapt to changing market conditions more quickly than ever, with urgency to turn new strategies and procedures into the right actions across every location. To uplevel their commitment to customer and employee safety, and do their best to know whether or not work is being done well across dozens, hundreds, or thousands of locations. Top operators use Zenput to turn strategy into action faster and equip teams to deliver on it. Used in over 50,000 locations in more than 40 countries, operators use the Zenput Operations Execution Platform to automate how operating procedures, public health, and food safety protocols, and other key initiatives are rolled out and enforced. Ops leaders instantly roll out new processes, oversee store performance from anywhere, and use data and insights to prioritize opportunities for improvement. Audits are tracked digitally, automatically holding everyone accountable for doing work well and ensuring corrective actions are followed up on time. Stores complete important tasks like HACCP checks, sanitation procedures, or getting ready for the next promotion. And even when processes change, every store is updated instantly. From store employees to field managers to operations leaders, the entire team has a centralized view for guiding and tracking how work gets done. Zenput. Elevate team execution in every store.